Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, and then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this, I believe, pencil icon in the right upper corner to edit the contact, and then simply tap on this camera icon on this grayish background. So here we've got two different options. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Here we can decide whether we want to use the gallery, manager, photos, up to you. I will pick the gallery. And now we can simply find the photo and tap on it. And here in this step we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can make it bigger or smaller, so simply resize it. And basically thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. So after positioning it, simply tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like with the photo applied. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the save icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got our contact with the saved picture. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.